Hey everyone, it's good to see you back. In this quick video, I'll show you how to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, or if you have an existing subscription and you want to cancel it, how can you do that? So let's dive right in. To upgrade, look in the left menu and then click the Upgrade to Plus menu item. You'll see this pop up. Then click Upgrade Plan and you'll be taken to the payment page. Here, you want to make sure your email address is correct. Then enter your card information, the name on the card, the billing address, and you can skip this option for one-click checkout. If you're purchasing as a business, then check this box and enter your tax ID if applicable, and then check this box to agree to the terms and conditions, and then click subscribe. And you should be all set. The next time you log in, you'll see this page with the ChatGPT Plus logo. In future videos, I'll give you a brief introduction about ChatGPT Plus and the features that are included. For now, I'm going to show you if you wanted to cancel your subscription, how you can do that. In the left menu, click My Account, and then click Manage My Subscription. From this page, you can click Cancel Plan. I'm not going to do that, but that's how you cancel your existing subscription. So there you have it, my friends. That's how you can upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, or if you want, you can cancel your subscription. I hope you found this video useful. I look forward to seeing you in another video.